The flag of Yemen consists of three horizontal stripes of equal width, red at the top, white in the middle, and black at the bottom. These colors have historical and cultural significance, and their symbolism can be interpreted in different ways depending on the context. Red stripe. The red stripe is often said to symbolize the bloodshed and sacrifices made by the Yemeni people in their struggle for independence and freedom. It represents the nation's historic struggles against colonial rule and foreign interference. White stripe. The white stripe is associated with purity, peace, and unity. It reflects the desire of the Yemeni people for a peaceful and harmonious coexistence within their country and with the international community. Black stripe. The black stripe is thought to represent the dark past of colonialism and foreign domination. It can also be interpreted as a reminder of the challenges and difficulties the Yemeni people have faced throughout their history. It's important to note that these interpretations can vary, and the flag's meaning might be viewed differently by different individuals or groups within Yemen. Additionally, the flag's symbolism might have evolved over time due to changing political and social circumstances.